educational toys, games, and books.
What have you been up to, girls?
So, we've been making bracelets.
Where did we get those from?
We got those from Disney Springs.
Right.
Just to remind you, I'm your host, Sky. I'm
Winter. Yeah.
Not the whole name.
And we were going to Disney thing.
Yes, Disneyland.
Disney Spring.
Things we like Disney Springs
Why?
because they make me sleep.
Because they make you happy.
They were making me sleepy this time.
We're playing with our bracelet.
And I just broke them up. So I'm fixing coloring.
And we're playing with these toys that we just got. They're called dots. Dots. And this one is the, if you can see it, this one is a bird love. Love birds. It's age six and up. It comes with 33 pieces. Comes with the bracelet right here. Comes with the bracelet. And then what you do is you can add these pieces that come with the set right here. Come different pieces.
And these kind of.
Yeah. And then you could just, you can, it's a Lego branded product. So I think, whoa, that's cool. So we got these bracelets yesterday?
Yep.
At the Lego store at Disney Springs in Orlando. And each girl, I think they were $5. And Aurora Sky they're called dots, and it's create your own designs. And it's by Lego, obviously, 6 and up, 6 years old and up, and she has the Magic Forest one. So it's oh wow, and that one comes in a pink package, and the color of the bracelet
Is blue.
it's like turquoise,
Turquoise blue.
greenish blue.
Yeah, that's how you make turquoise. Green and blue.
The Lovebirds one, you can make a bird, and it comes with extra pieces. So if they lose a piece, they still have some to add on to, and they just go on just like this. I mean, just grab one and you just clip it, and you can make designs, and it just goes around the very soft plastic.
Toys reviews, educational toys, games, and books.